United States. The United States of America, USA, is my country. It is one of the largest and most powerful nations in the world. Located in North America, the United States is the third largest country by land area and has a population of over 340 million people. The capital city is Washington, D.C., while New York City is the largest and one of the most famous cities in the world. The United States is made up of 50 states, each with its own unique history, culture, and attractions. The country is known for its democratic government, where citizens elect their leaders through free and fair elections. The American flag, with its 50 stars and 13 stripes, represents the unity and history of the nation. The bald eagle is the national bird, and the national motto is, "In God We Trust." The history of the United States began with Native American civilizations that lived on the land for thousands of years before European explorers arrived. The country declared its independence from Great Britain on July 4, 1776. Since then, the United States has grown into a global leader in science, technology, education, business, and innovation. The United States is famous for its breathtaking natural beauty. It has towering mountains, vast forests, beautiful lakes, long rivers, deserts, and stunning coastlines along the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Popular natural attractions include the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone National Park, Niagara Falls, and the Rocky Mountains. The country is also home to many national parks that protect wildlife such as bison, bears, bald eagles, wolves, and deer. The United States has one of the largest economies in the world. Major industries include technology, manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, finance, entertainment, tourism, and aerospace. American farmers produce crops such as corn, wheat, soybeans, and cotton. Companies in the United States have developed many inventions and technologies that have changed the world. Education plays an important role in the country's success. The United States has many world-famous schools, colleges, and universities that attract students from around the globe. American scientists, engineers, doctors, and researchers have made remarkable discoveries in medicine, space exploration, computer technology, and renewable energy. The country has also achieved many milestones in space exploration through NASA. The United States celebrates many national holidays and cultural festivals, including Independence Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, Halloween, and Martin Luther King Jr. Day. These celebrations reflect the country's rich cultural diversity because people from many different backgrounds, languages, and religions live together. Sports are an important part of American life. Baseball, basketball, American football, soccer, and ice hockey are among the most popular sports. American athletes have achieved great success in international competitions, including the Olympic Games. Although the United States faces challenges such as climate change, economic inequality, and natural disasters, its people continue to work hard to build a stronger and more prosperous nation. The values of freedom, democracy, equality, innovation, and respect for diversity continue to inspire millions of people around the world. I am proud of the United States. It is a country of opportunity, innovation, and cultural diversity. With its rich history, hard-working people, and commitment to progress, the United States continues to play an important role in shaping the future of the world.